Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will be completing the while loop. In our previous lecture, we have completed types of loop and the for loop. So let's start. While loop. A while loop statement repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a condition is true. So the while loop will be repeatedly executing a target in which until and unless the condition is true. Once the condition gets false, it will just jump out of that loop. So let's see that syntax. While we will be writing our condition over here and then the statement. So you can see the flowchart right now. In the flowchart, you can see the program is running. The condition is true. We have a condition over here. When the condition is true, it will be running my code and it will be again moving in a circular manner until and unless my condition is true. Once my condition gets false, it will jump out of the loop over here. So this is how a while loops work. So let's go to code blocks and have a practical. First of all, we will be creating an integer main function. So I will be again printing from 0 to 9 using while loop. So first of all, I will be creating a variable integer a, that is 0. Then I will be writing while in bracket. So in bracket I will be writing a is greater, should be smaller than 9, or it should be smaller or equal to 9. Then I will be writing cout a. So simply I have created a variable a which has a value of 0. It will be, the while loop will be checking 0 is smaller and equal to 9. It will be printing out the variables over here and it will be moving until and unless this condition is true. Once the condition gets false, it will just jump out of this curly braces. So let's compile and run the program. So you saw this is an infinite loop, which means that it doesn't have an end and it keeps on moving. So what was my mistake? My mistake was I haven't incremented the variable. So I will be incrementing my variable. So, or you can write like this, or you can also write like this. Now you can see we are not getting the infinite loop problem. So we got the variables from 0 to 9. So this is how we use the while loop. Thank you. In our next lecture, we will be working on do while loop.